Hi guys, and welcome to a coffee chat. I'm Dr. Boomer Brown with Doing Good at Work. Well, the last few coffee chats we've been talking about trust. We've been wondering when we should give it, how we can build it, when we should fix it or repair it, when we should withhold it. And we've been talking about some key essentials that hopefully you're remembering. We know that everything rises and falls on trust. And that every relationship, every endeavor that you enter into, if you want it to be successful, it depends on trust. We also know that trust is more than a feeling. Yes, it is a feeling, but it's also something happening inside you chemically, inside your brain. And last, we know that trust is very human. So it's easy sometimes for us to give trust, and other times it's harder to give trust. So the question is, how do you know when and what to do with trust? Well, here's a principle I want to give to you today. I want you to listen to this. I want you to write it down, because trust is much easier to build. It's easier to enter into. It's easier to avoid, or easier to repair if you can know what you're looking for. So I want to introduce you today to 5 trust essentials, things that you should be looking for. And then the next 5 chats, I'm going to break each one of these down so that it will help you understand what the key essentials are to trust, how these can help you know when to build it, when to enter into it, when to withhold it and avoid it, and last to fix it. Okay, so what are these 5 essentials? Well, the first one, the 5 trust essentials, the first one is you need understanding. We need understanding. Well, I'm not going to go into a lot of explanation today, but this is where it all begins. Trust begins when we understand others, others understand me. Trust also involves motives. What's my motive? What's the other person's motive? Then it comes down to the ability. Should I trust them? Do they have the ability to trust? And next it comes to a person's character. What's my character like? What's their character like? How can I trust them? And the last thing is their track record. So when you look at these, it may not mean a lot to you now, but if you come back each week during the chat time, I'm going to talk to you about how important these 5 essentials are. How you build understanding, how you help other people to understand you, how you can understand others, how you can expose motives and understand what motives you have and what other people have. Someone's ability to actually deliver what they say they will deliver. Their very character. This is more than just I don't lie, I don't steal, I don't kill. I mean, those kind of things. It goes deeper than that. And last is, what's their track record like? If you understand these 5 things, it will help you when you get into a relationship where your mind mentally and physically and physiologically and chemically is propelling you toward trust. You can engage your frontal lobe where that decision-making knowledge houses, and you can balance out those 2 things so you can protect yourself in every relationship that you're in. We want to help you know when to trust. We want to help you know when to withhold it, how to build it, how to fix it. Those are the reasons that we're going over this material each time at a coffee chat. Well, thanks for joining me this week, and I hope that you'll join me next week on a coffee chat.